I'm trying to share my computer screen. You can see my computer screen, right? I have already shared my computer
Yeah, yeah,
screen.
yeah. I can see your computer screen.
Yes. So similarly, you will share your computer screen, so I will see your work also.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, where is the sharing option, sir?
Okay. See below you can see my computer screen, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here now I'm getting you are presenting option.
Okay.
Okay, here if you click over here you will get share your screen. When you
Okay.
click you get three options, no? Share your entire screen, share a window kind of thing. You
Okay.
have to select the top one, share entire screen. So I will
Okay.
see all the 3ds max components like material editor and other components I can see then. Okay,
Okay, sir. I'll try
just
that, sir. I'll try doing that.
yes, try that.
Yeah. And now my uh, your entire screen.
You got the option entire screen, share entire screen kind of.
Yeah.
Just
You can.
click.
I clicked it. You can see now.
No, it didn't came.
Okay. See your entire screen. Correct, no?
Yes,
I have to click on that.
yes, click.
This will let you. They will take you over to as your main presenter. Share now. It is coming, sir.
Yes,
I
share
will
it.
click on.
Hmm.
You can see it now, sir.
No, I'm not able to see. Let me refresh. It's you are presenting. Are you getting this message? You are presenting below.
No, I am not getting that message. I am getting your this one. Your name is presenting. Bipin Pengera is presenting. That's what I'm getting.
No, see. You can see my computer screen. No.
I can see your computer screen.
See, right side. I have two names. One is Bipin Bhengra, and second one is Bipin Bhengra presentation.
1 second, sir. That I have to see. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Now I got it, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
try. Yes,
Uh,
yes.
now which one?
See, so are you getting these two names?
Yes, I'm getting two names now.
Your two names, Prasanna Kumar and Prasanna Kumar presentation. Your presentation kind of thing you are
No, sir.
getting there.
No, I'm not getting. I'm getting only one. You. That's all.
Okay. Come down now. Here you will see
Uh,
presentation. What you are getting over here?
Sir, here you are getting your name. One and second option is presentation.
Click on presentation now. See.
I'm clicking it, sir. There is no. It's not working. This time.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Can I do a video call on WhatsApp and let me see on your phone?
Yeah, sure.
Is it
Sure,
possible?
sir.
No?
Sure. Sure, sure.
Just show me the options. What options you are getting?
Fine, sir. Fine.
I will just call you. I will just video call you.
Okay.
Just show me what option you are getting there. Show me the options.
Sir, you can see.
Down. Move your camera a
Okay.
little down. Yes, move. Yes, little bit left.
Okay.
Uh, 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 uh. Okay. Move your cursor to Bipin Bhengra presentation.
Okay. Shall I click on that?
Yes, click.
Okay.
What option you are getting? Just click there.
Your entire screen, a
Uh,
window, a tab.
Entire screen. Click on entire screen.
Yeah. Now it is asking share now.
Share now. Yes.
Can you see me the screen? Can you see the screen, sir, now?
No. Actually, it is too bright.
Okay.
Actually, it is too bright. I cannot see.
What to do, sir?
What option are you getting there?
The Chrome wants to share the contents of your screen with meetgoogle.com, but here what cancel option is there. That's all.
No, no. Share it. Share it.
That it is not getting highlighted.
Just move your camera a bit. No, I'm not able to see your screen. Just move your camera.
No, no, sir.
Move your camera a little bit.
No. Keaton,
Can you zoom on the options? Can you move your camera a little bit closer?
how to share the screen, man? How to share the screen? Huh? Sir, 1 second, sir. That is how to share the screen. My screen.
Okay, I'm just cutting the phone. I'll send you a PDF.
Okay, sir.
I will send you a PDF. I'm making tutorial.
Right, correct, sir. Right. Okay.
I will make a tutorial kind of thing and then I will share with you.
Fine, sir. Fine. Little far. Sir, done it on the option.
Yes, yes. Now you got it.
Ah, no. Ah, yes.
Yes, yes.
Thank you,
Now you
man.
got it.
Thank you, man. Now I can switch on antivirus now. Okay, sir. Now we can see, sir.
Yes, now it's there.
Okay, fine. Okay. So shall we continue?
I'm not able to see your screen. Your presentation is coming there, but you don't. Your screen is not there.
How to do it, sir?
How come your screen is not coming? Try it once again. Try it once again.
I'm trying it. I'm unable to do that, sir. I'm not sure.
1 second, 1 second. I will give you a tutorial kind of thing. Just
పెట్టినా
this.
షేర్ చేసేది అప్లై చేస్తే ఎట్లా చూపి అది రాలేదు పన్నకి రాలే అప్లై చేస్తే కదా చూడు ఇక్కడ మంది రాలేదు ఇదే ఇదే ಆಯ್ತು రెండు sir, now it is coming, sir.
1 second. Yes, now it is coming. Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay.
Yes, yes, now it's good. Try to
Okay.
move. Try to move your viewport. Try to move your viewport. Try to move the model.
1 second, sir. Now I can see, sir.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Try to open material library. Press M. Open material library.
Okay.
Yes, good, good, good. It's coming proper. Okay. So
Okay.
you clear with the steps, no? How to share your screen, no?
Yeah. Now I understood how to share the screen.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I just save this. So let me share my computer screen as well.
Okay.
Okay, so you can also see my computer screen, no?
Yeah, I can see your computer screen.
Okay, okay, fine. So let's start the
Okay.
class.
Okay.
So we are going to start our texturing
Okay.
process.
Okay.
For that, I would like to know how much you know about texture. Before doing
Okay.
that, let's little bit arrange our scenes properly. Few things that I do, I just like to share with you. Okay, you maybe know, you maybe don't know. Just
Okay.
just I'm going to explain very quickly.
Okay.
First thing about your unit setup. By default it has its own unit setup, but
Okay.
as per my convenience I change to fit decimal inches. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
if you don't understand, or if you want some more information, ask me. Okay,
Fine, sir. Fine.
so it's simple. Use a standard. I choose this one and I click
Okay.
OK. So this is
Okay.
my first
First
preferences unit
step.
setup. Yes,
Okay.
units. Whenever I click something, I should get the property over here in fit.
Okay.
That's easy for me.
Fine,
So,
sir.
okay. Okay, that is simple thing. Another thing is when you go to this customize option,
Okay.
where it is preferences,
Okay.
make sure you have undo 500 maximum. Okay,
Fine. Fine, sir.
okay. On file, uh, this one is auto backup is off. No, otherwise
Okay.
it will keep on saving in 5-10 intervals. Okay, like that.
Okay. Okay. So we should the auto backup. We should off it.
Off it.
We should
If
we
you
should
are
we should uncheck it. Okay.
if you are working on some urgent project, it is
So,
very urgent or very important, then only you should on.
okay.
Or if you have some line problem, line cut off very frequently, suddenly line cut off problem, then
Okay.
you should on this enable. Otherwise it's okay, you don't have to keep it on.
Okay. But we have to keep saving it, no, sir.
Yes, that is okay, you have to keep saving your file,
Okay.
that you have to remember.
Okay.
And convert local file part to relatives,
Okay.
this should
Fine.
be on.
This is one. Okay.
Okay, so it will easy for Max to find the textures
Fine, sir.
around.
Okay.
And gamma, it should be on.
Okay.
Gamma should be 2.2, gamma should be on,
Okay.
and this should be on.
Fine.
Everything should be tick sign, gamma, and it should be on.
Fine, sir.
And then okay. Clear so far?
Nice, sir. Okay.
Okay, these are the few settings that I usually do.
Okay.
And let me see. Okay, fine. So we are good to go.
Okay.
So here already I have applied some texture, but we will apply on class right now.
Okay.
So what I will suggest you to apply a material, a blank standard material to all the models over here, no? So
Fine.
just start the material. You can also do along with me.
Okay.
Take a new slot, or if you
Okay.
have a blank one, that's
So
okay.
preferably working on the slate mode, sir.
Yes, I will
Mm.
explain you in slate mode. It's very easy and very fast to work.
Okay.
So if possible, try to work on slate mode only.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you also try to do it.
Okay.
Do along with me. I am seeing
Fine.
your computer screen.
Sir, before that, I will try to do the preferences check that once.
Yes,
Okay.
see, you have
Uh,
20 only. No, make it 500.
500. I make it 500. Then the relate convert local paths to relative. It should be on. Auto backup should I enable or disable or let it be enabled, sir?
For class purpose, you don't need auto backup. You can disable, yes.
Fine.
And check the gamma also.
And
Gamma, this should be on.
2.2
Two,
and
both should be tick. Yes, it's fine,
fine.
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 Okay. Okay, so we are good over here.
Okay.
Okay. Uh,
So I will remove. I was just trying it. I'll remove all this text.
yes. Now take a blank video material.
Yes, sir.
Think of see. Whatever material we need now, we will just type over here. You see a blank space over here?
Oh, 1 second, sir.
Just see my computer screen.
Yeah, yeah. Correct, sir.
Whatever material we want, we will type over here. I have my own material library with me. Whichever
Okay.
project I do, I create my own material library of gold, sofa, fabric, pillow, whatever material I found it's helpful and good. I try
Okay.
to create the library so that I can use it later on.
Fine, sir.
So this also we're gonna discuss later on after
Okay.
when after a few classes we're gonna work on library as well. So
Okay.
whatever material you want, here you get an option search by name. Just type over here, like we mostly work with V-Ray, so VRAY and
Okay.
M for material. So
Okay.
you will get over here V-Ray material.
Okay.
You can either click or drag or double click,
Fine, sir.
both is okay.
Okay, sir.
You get a V-Ray material, just double click over here so that you get the property on the right side.
Fine, sir.
Okay. And
Okay.
first thing you will do, change the name. So
Okay.
just this is the base material for all my models, so I will
Okay.
rename as base.
Yes. Okay.
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 And the properties, and we will gonna work on the properties, what properties we have.
Okay.
Right now what I will do, I will select all the model over here. I will just
Okay.
click and drag
Okay.
so that all my models selected, and click over here base and then apply.
Apply it. Fine.
So this is like the very basic thing. No, now we have to start from very scratch. Okay,
Okay.
everything we have to texture it out. You
Okay.
also try to do the same.
Okay.
Apply a blank material to all your model.
Fine, sir.
And one thing more, see my computer screen.
Okay. Okay.
For apply also. How to apply this material? Either you can drag and drop. You see this small circle over here.
Yes, sir. I can see that.
You have to select the model first and then drag and drop.
Okay.
Assign to selection, it will ask yes, I want to assign to selection, and it will be assigned.
Okay.
Or select all the models, you have to
Okay.
select,
Okay.
and here you see the dotted line over here, the dotted
Yes, sir.
line,
Yes.
that means this is highlighted.
Okay.
If you have multiple V-Ray, so it will be difficult which V-Ray material we are working on. So you see
Fine.
this dotted line, that means we are working on this current V-Ray material. Okay.
Fine, sir. Fine.
So another way of applying the material is over here on the top. You will see there is option called assign material to selection. You see when I move my cursor, no,
Okay.
I get a pop up.
Okay.
Yeah, it's saying assign material to selection. I just click and it will
Okay.
assign material.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay, just try to do this.
Before that, I have to change the name.
You have opened the material editor.
Yes, sir. I have opened material. I have changed the name, and I'm applying. Assign. I'm going to assign it now. Yeah, it is assigned now.
I am not able to see your material editor.
Now, sir. Now,
No, I'm not able to see a material editor.
but you can see the screen.
I can see your screen,
Okay.
but I cannot see a material editor. When you are doing presentation, select the first option in entire screen.
Oh, entire screen.
Yes,
Okay.
then only I can see the material editor.
Okay. Then I will do once again.
Yeah, you have to stop and then again present and then select entire screen, entire thing.
Stop screen sharing. Now I can see, sir.
No, no, you are not presenting.
Sir, in this option, I am unable to present it. A window option, I can present it. The entire screen option, it is not working.
Entire screen is not working.
Yes, yes.
Acha, no problem.
When I do it a window.
Hmm.
See, now I can share. Now you can. Now it is visible, no, sir.
Now
My
it is,
screen is
yeah, it is visible, and try to open your material editor. Let me see if I can see your material editor.
now. You
No,
can see it.
I cannot see a material editor, but it's okay, no problem.
Right, sir. I can see your. I can see what you're doing, and I do the. I repeat the
Yes,
same thing.
as you can see my material editor, no? The first time when you started, that time I can able to see your materials a lot, but now I'm
Okay.
not able to see. Anyway, not a problem. It's okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, so you have applied this blank material, no?
Sir, 1 second, sir. It your screen is become small. I don't know how to make it bigger.
You see my name, right side, you see my name, Bipin, your presentation, Bipin Bengra's presentation.
Yes, sir. No, it is. I want to. Right.
There's
Now
a
it is become.
there's a
No, man.
pin icon.
Kitchen. How I can make it bigger, man?
See my computer screen.
Sir, 1 second, sir. It is becoming small. How? How, man? Screen. Huh? Voice breaking. Voice breaking. Hello.
Yes.
Sir. Now I can see it, sir.
It's bigger now.
Yeah, it's bigger, sir.
Okay, fine. You just have to pin the. There's a pin option. You just have to pin. Click on the pin.
Oh, 1 second, sir.
You see over here. You see my computer screen.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now I have pinned it. Right.
Yeah,
Now I got it.
you have to click on the pin and you can
Okay.
see.
This I have to click, no, sir.
Yes, click
Oh.
on the pin.
Now it is visible, sir. It is visible. Full screen. I can see full screen now.
Okay, fine. Okay, now we are ready to start our texturing process.
Okay.
Before that, go to file and see if there is any missing texture kind of thing. Now, go to file and preferences, and there you got an option asset tracking.
Fine, sir.
Okay, just click over there. You
Okay.
see there are so many textures which are not being using in our scene, no?
Okay.
But these textures are not then on our scene. I have like applied blank material, so I don't need these textures, right?
Fine.
So what I will do, I will right click over here and remove missing assets.
Okay.
And when I will save my file, when I will going to save my file,
Okay.
then this will not be coming. I have to save my file once more, but it's okay.
Okay.
Missing things are not.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So I will do it, sir.
Yes. Now missing. There will be no warning will come missing or something like that.
Sir, where I have to go? I have to go to preferences, right?
File. You have to go to
File.
file,
Uh,
and you will see an option called reference. File and then reference.
what? File and preference, right?
Reference R is
A reference. Right.
reference.
Under that, asset tracking,
Asset tracking. Yes.
and I can see so many the textures are missing.
Yes.
I have to right click and
Right click and then remove missing
remove missing assets.
remove. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The remaining are the default of V-Ray, so that will not be going because it is default library. So it is showing that is found, but it's okay. It will not get any problem.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay, now I want you to apply material. Even you have the library with you which I have shared.
Yes, sir.
Just open that library also. We need those library textures.
Fine.
Just 1 second. Where I have saved the library, I will also start my library.
Yeah, texture library. I opened it.
Yeah. What are the folders are there? Do you
Sir,
have like
bump and normal map.
map? Yeah.
Yeah. And the door and windows,
Yes. Environment,
environment, fabric,
fabric.
floor, IS lights, leather, plants and leaves, TV screen and books, walls, extra.
Another thing you have like road map or something. Road texture.
No, sir. No road section is not there.
Okay, I will say no problem. I will share it later on.
Okay.
Let's go with uh, walls. Okay,
Okay.
we have some brick walls over there. This kind of
Wait,
textures you have, no?
1 second, sir. Yeah, I have that kind of texture.
Try to apply this brick wall on the wall. We have a wall over in our scene, no?
Hmm.
Boundary wall.
A boundary wall. Okay.
This one.
Okay.
I want you to apply that texture over here.
Fine, sir. I will do that.
Yes, I just want to see how you do it.
Fine, sir.
Yes. Yes, good.
But it's not coming, sir. Yeah.
Show material on viewport.
Ah, okay.
You know how to show material viewport option?
Yeah.
Yes. Try to scale it out and adjust the texture.
Okay, no, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Good.
Okay.
So whatever you're doing is good. I can share some shortcut which can
Sure.
save which can save some of your time.
Sure, sir. Sure, please.
Okay, suppose if I have to do this,
Okay.
what I will do? Okay, suppose I have to apply texture. Open your folder as well. This is my folder. Okay,
Fine.
this you have browse. In my case, what I will do, I will just drag and drop.
Okay.
Just drag and drop, and you will get the bitmap. Okay,
Okay.
and I will put both side by side. This is my material. So this is my base. I will not interfere with this. I will press shift and make a copy of this.
Copy of it. Fine.
Press shift and click and drag, so I will get a new V-Ray material,
Okay.
and here I will click and drag and I will take diffuse.
Fine.
I will not release my mouse. I will come on top of here. I will get all the options and then unclick
Okay.
on diffuse.
Fine, sir.
So my texture is applied on my material. Okay,
Okay.
now double click so that this is now highlighted, not this dotted lines. So
Okay.
I get over here. Quickly I will try to give name. Always make a habit, give name. It will be good for
Okay.
you.
I'll
And if,
remember.
yes, someone else is try to work on your file, easy for them to understand. No?
Fine.
So I give a new name, I got my texture is ready now. Now just I have to apply.
Okay.
I have option to apply, and then show. Over here it's show material.
Okay.
And then again obviously I have to apply UV.
Okay.
Click over here, press U, and then I can get UV map.
Okay.
Box is good. Now you have done something on length with height. I will show you a little shortcut. Click
Okay.
on the UV map,
Okay.
take scale tool,
Okay.
and you can,
Track it.
yeah, you can scale it from here. It will save some of your time.
Okay.
You don't have to be exact how much size it should be, just scale until it look good.
Okay.
It should look fine. Okay,
Okay.
so it will be little time saving for you.
Fine.
W, and then again click on UV map.
Okay.
Because we are in Gizmo, again come out,
Okay.
click outside, and we are done.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So this is basic texture. This is a very simple one. This is
Okay.
how manually we do texturing. Suppose we have to work on some urgent project. Okay, we don't have time to go browse textures and all. So
Okay.
we can take help from V-Ray library. As we told, we have this V-Ray library,
Yes, sir.
which
Yes,
comes
sir.
with V-Ray.
Material.
It also
Input
have
feature.
some tiles and these things with us. Okay,
Okay.
let us try this also. We will work simultaneously.
Okay.
Let's see what difference we get if you use library also.
Okay.
Style brick. Okay, yeah, I will go to brick to get a
Okay.
similar kind of texture. This brick.
Okay.
I will try to apply on different wall. This one, no.
Fine.
Simply drag and drop. Or click here, right click, and then apply on selected object.
Okay.
So it is applied, but it will not be shown any things like a warning or something that is applied. It's not be like that.
Okay.
But it is applied. You have to come here to see the texture. You have to like pick the texture. You have a material picker over here,
Yes. Yes.
and then pick the texture,
Okay.
and you get texture over here. No.
Okay.
Now you have to select all the family members. Go over here, selection,
Hmm.
select children's, and click and drag.
Okay.
Okay, see, it worked differently. It has, I don't know what is UV has, that is new for me as well. But
Okay.
here you will see you have one bitmap
Okay.
texture, and then color corrected it,
Okay.
applied that. Then one is reflection and another is bump map.
Fine, sir.
Okay. But we have created just one texture, that is what? Diffuse.
Diffuse.
So to make your texture look more realistic and more like impressive, we
Okay.
have to use this reflection map as well as bump map.
Bump map. Fine.
Okay,
Okay.
so when you don't have time, if you want to complete your project urgently, then you can use the ready-made library.
Fine, sir.
But many cases you get this texture from client says I want this texture only.
Fine. Fine, sir.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you how we can create a reflection map and how we can create a bump map.
Fine, sir.
Okay, here itself in 3ds Max only, we don't have to go anywhere else in Photoshop or something.
Okay.
We can create here as well the reflection and bump map. Okay,
Fine. Fine.
so till here it's clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Any doubt, any question?
No, no, sir. I'm following it easily.
Okay, no, so here a little bit of advanced stage you're going to start,
Okay.
because the way we have applied texture, all same process will be applied on other part as well. No, so I don't have to repeat for all the portions.
For all the parts. Yes, yes.
We have applied texture on one wall, same thing will for the gate, only the texture will change, process will be same. Take a
Fine.
V-Ray material, take the texture and apply it over here. It go
Fine, sir.
everything. Only for the glasses, metals, I will explain you how we deal with that.
Okay.
Everything else that include texture, no, this one JPG images,
Okay.
this kind of JPG images where it is involved, Process is same. You have
Fine.
to take V-Ray material
Okay.
and then create diffuse.
Fine, sir.
That is very simple. Now I'm going to explain you how we can make it more realistic. No, how, see the library how they had did. They have
Okay.
created. They had applied color correction. They had applied reflection and
Reflection.
bump map
Oh, fine. Okay.
to make your texture look more realistic. Here you might see it's not very clear, but it is there. Bump map and reflection is there. Okay.
Fine. Fine.
Same thing we do over here. Now
Fine.
how we create bump map and reflection. Okay, suppose if you have texture, right now I don't have bump map or reflection with me.
Okay.
If I have, then it's very easy, I can use that.
Fine, sir.
Okay, I can use this kind of reflection and bump map I can use. But if you don't have, then what you should do?
Okay.
I will create a copy of this.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
I created two more copies. One will go for reflection, one will go for bump map.
Bump. Fine.
Simply I will drag and drop and give it to reflection, and simply I will drag and drop and give it to bump map. Simple.
Okay.
Nothing advanced I have done so far. I just created a copy and given reflection. Okay, remember one thing. We are dealing with texture. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you deal with texture, the reflection should not be even for all the sides. It should be different as per the texture.
Fine.
If you do metal, the reflection will be same overall, the
Fine.
entire body. Okay, but
Okay.
when you deal with texture,
Okay.
whenever there is some white area and texture, more reflection. Where there is a dark area and texture, less
Less
reflection.
reflection. Fine.
So that's why I made a copy of it and given on reflection.
Fine.
Same thing with bump map also, where bright area will go up, dark area will go down. It should work like that.
Fine.
But one thing you have noticed that here, no, you see it is black and white. You see,
Okay. Correct.
you see, and this one is some more little darker, no, darker and black and white. But it is normal black and white for reflection. For
Okay.
bump, you see the white is more whiter and black portion is more blacker, no.
Fine.
You see what happened, no, for reflection, white area will reflect more, dark area will reflect less.
Black. Okay.
In bump map, what happened, dark area will go more deeper downward, you know,
Okay.
and white area will come upward, so it will
Okay.
create more depth over here. So
Fine.
that's why this V-Ray has created this kind of texture. Now we
Fine.
also try to create that.
Fine.
So first of all, I have a very colorful one, no, I need to make it a black and white.
So we have to apply color correction.
Yes, correct. You know that, right?
I know that, sir. I know.
Okay. See, simply, you know the parameters of here.
Yes, sir. We can monochrome. We can do it. It will become white and black.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, bring down the saturation to 0. It will become black and white.
Yeah, saturation also we can do black and white,
Black and white.
and I make another copy of this color collection. So I will just quickly, I will make it a little fast, okay, because you
Fine.
know this already.
Fine. Yes, yes.
Double click over here, and this time already I have monochrome. I just have to increase the value over here.
Okay.
You have to adjust a bit,
Contrast and brightness, we are increasing more.
increasing, yes.
Yes.
Just see where you get this. You see,
Yes.
darker is more darker and brighter is more brighter.
Fine.
So this is what I'm trying to explain. You already know that it's good.
Now I've been applying for materials, sir.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
okay.
okay.
It's fine. Absolutely fine. And again for color, you see over here they have changed the color. No, it is oranges kind of, and it is converted into pinkish.
Okay.
So again, color correction is very useful over here.
Okay.
So it's easy. I'm not going to change color, but it's okay. This is how you're gonna apply.
Okay.
Okay, so you tell me what is like difficult for you in texturing. You know this thing. Why don't you try some texture which is difficult for you?
Okay, sir. Now, in this, what is the reflection value we have to give?
Yes, correct. Let's change the reflection value.
Okay.
1 is very high 100% reflection, 0
Okay.
is none. Okay, somewhat in between we have to keep.
So 0.5.
Start with, yeah, 0.5 is very less, when means not, don't be that much low.
Okay.
0.6 to 0.95, try to keep
Okay.
like that. 0.95 for metallic, and
Okay.
this wall should not be that much of reflective, so 0.7 I wish to keep.
Okay.
If some shiny object, then I can increase the value. It is not very shiny object,
Okay.
but little bit of what you say, some brightness should come when light touch the wall. Some brightness should be there.
Fine, sir. And how
That's
much
all.
should be the reflect, sir? Reflect.
Sorry.
Reflect. Reflect.
Reflection, this is map already I have given, no, it will.
Or the map we have given, but the value of that, sir. Now, if you click on the left side, we'll get a value, right? Ah, there. If you click
It,
it, here we
here,
don't give any value here.
see, when you given a material, no, this color will not work.
Okay. Oh, this color will not work.
This
Okay.
will,
Okay.
when you material given this like, see on wall over here, now if I change any color, does give any effect on my material?
No,
No,
no.
no. Why?
So this is
Because texture is there.
texture is there. Also, that we don't have to give any value there. So just apply the
Yeah,
texture and leave it.
yeah, but people used to give, it's okay, but no, not able to, don't have to give any value. This material will override this color thing.
Fine, sir. Fine. And the bump value, sir,
Bump value will be by default is very less.
it will be 30.
Yeah, you have to render that and see bump value 30, 50. But you know what, bump value, I'm not very happy with bump and normal map. It don't work properly unless you give a default displacement map.
Fine, sir.
I have tried this bump and normal map don't work properly.
Fine, sir.
Yeah, you. So whenever I need to be more focused, if something is very near to camera and it has to be, the bump should be seen, I used to give displacement map.
Displacement map. Right.
Yeah, we will talk about that later on, about displacement map and all.
Fine.
But for formality, I can say you can give bump value, and later on we can discuss on normal map as well.
Fine, sir. Fine.
So this you already know, and I'm sure you can do other texture.
Sure.
Let us come to the things where you found difficulties in
Sir,
applying texture.
now we will come to the wall material, sir. Now, just basic wall material. What should be the exterior wall material?
Okay, let's take this wall.
Okay. Now we are going to apply a concrete texture.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
You apply, because whatever I have shown, 50% of them, of that is, you already know that. Okay,
Yes, 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 yes.
so you do it, and if you, where you stuck, or I can have a better idea, then I will interfere and I will let you know.
Right, sir. Shall I do the same brick wall or should I take the wall itself?
Take the the ground floor wall.
Wall. Okay.
Yes.
Shall I take this as stucco?
Yes, yes, take it, take it. Yes, yes, please. Okay. Actually, this wall texture is not the actual good
Yeah,
one.
I'll change it, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You can continue, and later on you can change.
Right.
Texture you can change later on. Just let me see how you work. It's okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. 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 Actually, I'm not able to see your this material editor no, because where there is now you have to create the bump map or the reflection value of right as I have
Okay.
created.
But how is that it's not coming, sir? Yeah.
Hmm. It's okay. We can see how it should come after class
Okay.
also, because lots of time has gone on already. I will share. I will create some tutorial of this also, like 2D
Sharing.
PDF kind of thing, and I will share.
Please, sir. So that sharing becomes easy for me.
Yes, yes, sharing will not be a problem then.
Right, sir.
So I want you to this is easy for you. What is difficult for you?
Sir, difficult for me is uh, see whatever the material we apply here. Okay, the
Hmm.
color during the rendering, after rendering, the color will not be remain same. Okay, that means it's not looking that what color I have applied on that. That is due to the HDRI map, or maybe due to the color correction not been applied properly. Okay,
Oh, that is something more depend upon the lighting.
lighting, yes, correct. And one thing.
Texturing,
Second
text.
is all the
Uh,
glass materials. Okay.
okay,
See for window, what kind of glass we have to apply. Okay.
okay.
And see some images fall on the glass. You know how to get that natural look of the tree, shadows falling on the glasses.
If your camera is very near to glass, then only you able to make out the
Yes, sir.
shadow and the reflection. If your
Otherwise, how
cam
to fake it? How to fake that?
yes, otherwise you have to make a fake reflection or
Fake
fake
reflection.
cloud.
Correct, sir. Yes, sir. The clouds falling on the glasses, so that gives a natural effect.
Wait. For that, okay. See my computer screen. Let's
Yeah.
try that. Let's
Okay.
try
Okay.
that.
Okay.
For that, you need a environment and a complete lighting. Actually,
Okay.
what happened now, because you have to render reflection. You will not be visible over here on the screen.
Yes, sir.
You have to render that out.
Okay.
So, mm, and for rendering, you need proper scene setup,
Yes, sir.
HDRI and other thing
That
and camera.
that will do it later, sir. I'm only just trying to tell you so that you can keep that in your mind and teach me when
Yes,
it will
yes.
come the time. And
We'll do.
tell you, sir.
Yes, we will do that. We will do that. Not a
Yeah, yeah.
problem.
And for the walls, what should be the reflection we have to give, and what is a bump value, sir? Yeah. That depends on the image, but what should be the reflection,
Uh,
sir?
this value as of now you have to keep it default. Whatever it is, I don't change it right now.
Okay.
After rendering, I change that.
Okay. And
If
reflection value, sir, for walls, any exterior walls, what should be the reflection? Supposing.
reflection should be less, very should be not very much. Zero point 0.6, zero point 0.7 is enough.
Okay.
If it is very shiny object like it's metal, then zero point 0.8, 0.95 kind
Fine.
of like value we give on glossiness.
Okay.
Okay.
Even for the walls, we have to give a map, a reflection map, white and
Yes.
black reflection map.
Yes, yes, yes. It is
Is
advised that you should give some reflection map.
Okay. Now,
uh,
for example, sir, now, for, sir, can I share my screen now?
yes, yes, I can see your
Yeah.
screen. Yes,
Yeah.
just a
Sir.
minute.
Now, see, uh, now most of the time, okay. Hello.
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes, tell me.
Sir, most of the time, supposing, say, if I'm taking this wall, okay.
Hmm.
Now, I'm going to take one V-Ray material.
Hmm.
I will say wall. I'll double click on that. Okay. Then I will select. I'll give a color to that. Okay.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes.
Okay. So basically, some color. Okay. Maybe some color. Okay. Supposing say I'm trying to give this color. Okay. Now I
Hmm.
will apply this on the material, or before that I can get an texture map to this. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
So that texture map should be the bump, right? Bump.
No, I'm not getting you.
Sir.
You mean the color should be your color,
Color
and
should be my color.
only bump map should be there. Only effect should be there of bump map.
Only effect should be shared. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, correct. Yes, that can be done.
So now I'll go to the bump map. Okay.
Yes,
I will bring
like
the
sofa used to do that.
now I'll bring this stucco color.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now this again I'll convert it to black and white, right? It should be given as a
Yes,
black
it
and white.
should be in black and white. Yes.
No, sir. Color. This should be remained here, right?
Actually, I'm not able to see your this
Oh,
material.
material
It's
library. Okay.
yeah, it's difficult to
You can
understand.
show me, sir. You can show me from your screen. Okay. You can show me that.
I
Supposing.
understood what you were trying to do. See,
Okay.
that's what usually we do with sofas with
Okay.
leather material.
Okay.
See,
Because the exterior walls, finding the image is very difficult. Okay. So it should be a choice of our color, right? See, supposing say around Asian paints, for exterior paints we have particular color code and all. So somehow
yeah,
we'll manage to get that
actually,
particular color. Okay.
yes, yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
Now,
And when you work on project also, na, client provide you that this particular
sometimes yes, yes, particular
tiles,
color
particular
they wanted.
color
Yes,
should be there.
yes, yes. But
So
we need to give a concrete effect to that.
let's take a V-Ray this material. Let's take a new V-Ray material.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a new V-Ray material and apply this. Okay, so suppose I have applied this new V-Ray
That's a base
material.
material we applied, right?
Okay,
Hmm.
and whatever color, maybe light cream, let's take it to white, and little bit of cream color I give over here.
Okay.
So easy to notice. Okay, light cream color I have given,
Okay.
and only thing left is to give bump map value. Okay,
Yes, yes, correct.
so I
Add
will
some texture to that.
yes, the bump map should be on texture, some scratches,
Some
walls
crackers,
kind
some
of.
stucco, some texture paints applied on that.
Uh, 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 uh. See, I have few bump map this kind of concrete texture. See this kind of
Okay.
this you also I have shared. No, we can use this kind of
Fine.
scratches, this dots and all for
Fine, sir.
bump map. The scratches for the
Fine.
concrete stuff. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so this dot. Let's try this one. No, concrete dots.
Okay.
Let's try this one, scratches and all. This should be my wall bump map should be there. It should be.
Okay.
So just I will take it over here,
Okay.
and simply I can use on my bump map. But remember, texture you always have to apply UV map. Okay.
Okay.
So
Correct.
right now I have to visible this texture. I have to make it
Make it
visible
visible.
on my 3D model.
Okay.
So just click over here to show material.
Okay.
It's coming fine, but also I have to, because UV is already applied, so that's why it's
Okay.
coming fine. And
Okay.
then I just have to scale because it's very big in size. No, it should not be that big scratches. Small
Okay.
scratches, small dots should be there.
Okay.
Okay, this much is fine.
Okay.
Okay, so this will not be visible like this. This will be just a bump map kind of visibility will be there.
Okay.
So as I said, ki bump map will generally don't work with me. I have tried bump map. I have tried normal map also. So
Okay.
if you want to get this kind of effect, this kind of concrete, effect, I try UV this V-ray displacement.
Displacement. Okay.
Have you tried this?
I had tried only for few carpets and grass materials.
Yes, yes, and carpet and rug and all you can
Rack and
try.
other.
Yes, yes, yes. So this work absolutely fine to me. Just you have to drag and drop and give map.
Okay.
So you already have tried, and here just amount
That
and
amount. Okay.
render settings. You have to on the displacement option over here, no?
Okay. Okay.
So that's it, and you will get a very nice kind of this bump value over here
So
for
for
the wall.
exterior walls, this is required.
If your camera is very close to wall,
Now
uh,
some now for example some face wall, we give a different color or maybe different texture like granite materials or some stone cladding. So that time displacement will help, right?
yes, yes,
Okay.
definitely, definitely, it will have.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes, it will have.
So this normal bump will not work actually.
Yeah, I have tried. You will not get that result.
Okay.
Either you have to go for a V-Ray material. You have to create a V-Ray material. On Photoshop also some plugins is there,
Okay.
exterior plugins, or you get some extra third-party software for V-Ray material.
Okay.
So you have to create V-Ray material and one second. Now let me try with V-Ray material. I haven't shared with you.
Mm.
But I have something in my library. One second. Now let me show you something about V-Ray material. TDS Max and material library and Mega Scan. You know about this Mega Scan?
No sir, no idea sir.
No, no. Okay, I will let you know.
Oh,
So fabric, stone floor. Let's take this for example.
fine.
So this will be the final output with that this kind of depth and all
Setting.
you will get. Yes,
Okay.
and to support that we have this diffuse texture.
Sir, this is called PBR materials.
Yes, PBR. Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, correct.
Only difference with PBR is you get a roughness and ambient occlusion. Some extra maps will be there. Like
Fine, sir. Fine.
see how we are using what three maps only, no?
Yeah.
Bitmap, color. This one is for reflection, bump map,
Okay.
and
Okay.
to the max this normal map we're going to use. Okay,
Okay.
but
Okay.
for PBR before no this is before on Vero 5 the lower version we have a PBR material option also over here,
Okay.
but
Okay.
new version it is eliminated, and over here only you will get a roughness over is given over here.
Okay.
So you will get this roughness somewhere is roughness. So this kind of roughness extra texture you can apply over there.
Okay.
So it will give a PBR effect look.
Effect. Okay.
So let's try this one.
Okay.
I will take this one normal map. It's very heavy one. It will take some time. Okay, and roughness. Okay, and one more. I will take displacement. Okay. Mm, somewhere take ambient occlusion also. I'm not sure where to use ambient occlusion over here. Okay, let me do with this kind of map only.
Fine. Sir.
Okay, so I got this many textures. I will take a new V-Ray slot. Okay,
Fine.
simply you have to apply diffuse. This is displacement. Displacement will go for bump map also. I will tell you what to do with this too.
Okay.
Okay, this is roughness. Again, roughness have roughness option. Double click. Roughness option is new given over here, so we can give roughness.
Okay.
And for this now, we have a V-Ray normal map. You know
Okay.
about this?
Yes, sir. I have seen. Very normal. It has got both normal map as well as bump map. You can apply.
Yes, 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 yes. So sometime I used to do this. It give me a good effect, but not like displacement. It give
Fine.
a good effect. If you apply on bump and displacement, it give you a nice effect.
Okay.
I don't think here you will able to see. It's very blurry kind of, but you get a good effect.
Okay.
So this is how little bit of advance you can create texture. So what I expect you to complete this texturing, because you know lots of basic things clear with you. Okay, so no
Okay.
point to go into the basic texturing things.
Okay.
I want you to come with me with your queries and your
Okay.
questions,
Okay.
and meanwhile try to complete the entire this plan. Okay, entire block.
Okay.
Try to download some reference images. If you want, I can share my reference images for this road, for this path over here, the footpath over here.
Yeah, you can share your reference image, sir.
My reference image I have. I will WhatsApp you.
And for the wall texture, what I'll do is, whatever the images you are sharing, I will go with the different colors.
Yes, yes, of course, of
It
course,
should
of
it
course.
should not be repeated. I'll go with the different wall colors, different.
Yes,
So the entire building should have a different
yeah,
colors.
yeah, of course, of course. It should be a new building.
So that what happens, the comparison and for learning purpose, it becomes easy.
Yes, 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 yes. Try to complete this. Whatever is easy for you, try to do this. Whatever is difficult for you, we can discuss it on in class. Okay?
Fine, sir. Fine.
Because I am not knowing how much you know about this material, so we have started a very basic thing,
Okay.
but not needed no to go
Yes,
such basic things. Okay,
yes, 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 yes.
because you already know all these things. I will
Okay.
share you some link where you can download free textures.
Okay.
Give me some time, I will share with you.
Okay.
Meanwhile, whatever texture you have, try to complete that. And for metals, try to do it yourself, or in class we will discuss how to create the gold. You
Ah,
said no gold, how to create gold, silver, brass.
yes, 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 sir.
In coming class we will deal with metal and
Okay.
glasses.
Okay. And you can share me the concrete images also, sir.
Yes, yes, I will share you the link.
The
You will
wall,
get.
the wall textures where we have the scratch materials,
Yes,
textured
yes, yes.
materials.
This one, no, which I have
Yes,
this
yes.
kind of, yes. I will
Okay.
show you this Mega Scan is a this website where you get all this kind of materials.
Okay.
I'll
I'm not talking about this, sir. I'm talking about the wall textures, the last concrete textures, the scratch materials,
I
exterior textures.
actually I downloaded from the same site. This one,
Okay, sir.
no,
So then,
this is I already shared with you.
this
This.
I got it. Any other better images you have?
Array, I will give you full library.
Okay, okay.
I will give a link of full library.
No problem, no problem.
You will see. Like SDRI, now you get lots of SDRI there, right?
Okay. Lots of HDR are there, but it's consuming more MB. Okay. So if I go
It,
to office now, I can download because I'm not using that
yeah,
internet.
yeah. You need just 2 3 good SDRI. You needed,
I've
not more.
downloaded one day and one night for the practice sake, and
Yeah, enough, 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 enough.
when
That
I
is
go to
enough.
office, I'll download few more things.
HDRI, actually HDRI will not be visible over here. You have to import on Max and then only visible.
Correct, 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 correct.
But then also just try to wait 1 second. No? Let me see if I can tell you which HDRI,
That's what,
which
sir. Last
kind of.
time I asked you if you can tell me that particular one, that I'll download and keep.
1 second. No? What the name of that
That number, if you tell me more than
motion
some 4 3
number?
something is it?
Number I don't remember. See this one. No? If you go on day, if
Okay.
let's you can see the computer screen. No.
Yes, yes. I can see that.
They take the brighter one, whatever brighter top, it's good. Take the first two, it's
The
okay.
first one.
The
Okay.
first two, don't take this cloudy. This is give a
Okay.
different kind of look. The
Okay.
brighter, take the brighter one, first
Fine,
or
sir. First
second.
one. Okay.
First or second, okay. And for night we will use this evening. Try to take this kind of where oranges tone is there.
Oh, this is evening, sir.
Evening, evening, yes.
Uh,
Let me tell you the exact one. This one, this is what, 416 Sun
Four,
B,
six.
s- Sun C, 416 Sun C.
Okay, I'll take for evening, sir.
You can see computer screen, no? This one,
I can
416
see. I
Sun
can see.
C.
I'm following it.
Yes, yes. Where little bit of oranges kind of
Uh,
shade light is there.
Okay. Otherwise, also you can take a snapshot of this and send it to me, sir. Which one you are wanting?
This one second, no?
Snipping tools is there, no?
Yes,
Snipping
yes,
tools.
yes. I will just WhatsApp you
Yes, yes,
this.
yes, yes, yes. It will be more easier for me.
Yes, surely. I will person Q save. Take this one, and for morning also, uh, and for day also, try to take the first one even. First one is enough. The brighter it will be more better.
Fine.
Okay. Just download and keep it. After
Okay, fine.
texturing, when we start the lighting, we will start with this HDRI.
Fine, sir. Sure, sure.
Okay, and one thing more, let me share. Okay, I will share link. I will
Okay.
share the link because it if I start, lots of things will come then.
No problem, sir. You
That
share me the texture link. I
I
will
will just
download which is required.
okay, okay. Okay, any doubt, any query you would like to ask for today's class?
No, sir. It is clear now. I will start structuring slowly. Okay. Then tomorrow's class, I think you can see that. And if I have any doubt, I'll ask you.
Yes, if you have any doubt, ask me. And tomorrow
Hmm.
we will planning. We will do the glass and the
Okay.
metal portion.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Chrome material, glass material,
Chrome,
uh,
glass,
uh,
gold. Yes,
aluminum, then the gate materials.
yes, yes.
It's all related to materials,
Yes,
metals,
metal.
and the
Yes.
glass.
Tomorrow we'll
Okay,
do that. Yes.
fine.
Okay. For today's
You
class, yeah, I'm keeping this much only.
okay? You share me your images, sir, so that I can keep that as a
Yes,
reference.
yes. I will give it to you right now. Okay.
Fine, fine.
Okay then. Chalo. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Bye.
And send me the PDF also for sharing the materials tomorrow.
Yes,
Screen sharing.
PDF. I will just make how to share computer screen with material editor also. No,
Yeah, yeah.
that's
If you can
important.
show me that, I can. We can.
I
So it will be easier for
I
you to.
just create
Uh,
because whatever you do, I have to see what
correct,
steps
sir.
you are doing. If I know something better, it's easy for me to explain you.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
you do
Maintenance
like
slot,
that.
if you cannot see, then
Uh,
difficult.
Difficult. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
I will do. Okay then, chalo. Fiर,
Bye,
huh?
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Yeah.
bye, bye,
Bye. Bye.
bye.